What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage. What's up, buddies? Hey, what's up? Hey, Nala. What's up, Gatsby? You guys are crazy. Made it to POHBOYS. A little windy. Check this out. Look what I found. Found myself an RX7. Well, a couple of them. Giving one a Shipwreck. I get the skateboard out. What's up, Gus? What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Gonna use a new driveway. Woo! Let's go bug Shipwreck. Mijo.
I didn't hear you drive.
No? Woohoo! Guess what? Back inside POHBOYS, and even better, working on Shipwreck's RX7.
You need some love.
Yeah.
More love.
What are we gonna do today?
We need to finish. We need to finish with love. Rear subframe drop and removal, so we can take it off, do bushings, do the welding on the diff, clean up whatever we can. Oh, and the exhaust too. It's broken. You'll see that in a bit.
Man, this is gonna be a fun little project. I never dropped a subframe or even touched a RX7 rear end. You?
No, we've seen it. The Miata was kind of complicated to the same thing, but
Oh, they're kind of similar, huh? Like the Miata.
the diff setups are like bracketed the same way to the subframe. Other cars is a lot easier. You just remove the diff on yours.
Oh yeah,
It's just
240 is
2 bolts.
easier. 240s, baby.
This one you have to actually remove the whole subframe because it's entangled.
Oh yeah. Well, it's gonna be fun. Let's get to work. Woo-hoo. So what are you doing?
Gonna lift the diff up and level out the height in the front. Gonna get ready for rear subframe removal and all the fun steps it takes to do it.
The Shipwreck bought some cool, where's the stuff at? Shipwreck ended up purchasing some quality, durability, performance bushings for the rear subframe. And since he's taking it off, he's gonna get it welded. So we can get some drift action on the RX7, man.
It's just about ready. I mean, welded diff, coilovers, new suspension bushings. Just need a helmet and roll cage.
And you're good to go. So pretty much first thing was we jacked up the car, have it on the jack stands on both sides. Next thing is to remove the tires. So we're gonna take off the these kick-ass
Well, one of the steps
spikes.
You didn't tell us.
What is
We need to remove the exhaust as well. That's in the way.
Oh, it's in the way right now?
It's like all underneath.
Alright.
It's halfway off already from the pipe breaking.
When it broke down there, let's see, zoom in. Oh yeah, it broke right there.
That's some quality welds.
Oh my god.
Good thing I already bought new hardware.
Messed it up?
Because I chewed that one up.
Oh yeah, a little bit. So what are you taking off right now?
The Y frame for the exhaust.
I'm gonna go all the way back down that way. Alright, so I got the tire off. And Shipwreck is taking off the drive shaft?
Drive shaft.
Do it, mijo, you got it.
That one I did it. Did it with hand tools.
There you go. Sweet. So while he's doing that, I'm gonna disconnect the coilover and then do the caliper. It needs to come up and I'll hang it up here somewhere, hang it out of the way. And then we'll just keep going forward. Got it. What's wrong? What happened?
It's snowing on me.
Where's the goggles?
Want me to show
It's recording, yes.
Oh. Alright, drive shaft. Bolts. Easy. 4 of them. Take it off.
And then right now, I'm taking off the caliper bracket, the bolt up here, and a bolt on the bottom with a 14. So I got the caliper off. All I did was zip tie it up to the spring on the coilover and the Shipwreck. Took it off the sway bar linkage. Up here I get to it easily. What size is it? Oh, you're this ratchet? Alright, you got the other side. Alright, what's next? So down here you said you got the diff bolts out?
Well, yeah, they're loosened up here. There's this diff mount bolt, and then we have this strut or coilover mount that was loose too. So now it is these other subframes to the body, that one and one row behind it, and then everything should come off, I hope. Alright. Noise.
Yeah. Where are they coming from?
Some sound effects come here.
Like a little kid playing with your Legos. So you're taking off the diff bolts right now?
They're pretty much loose already, so. Damn, it's fucking showering dirt. Got the little party hats off. Little crowns.
Yeah, they do look like it. Little Bowser, Princess Peach.
Little boozette.
What was snagging up on it?
Shit, yeah, you got to lift it up.
Oh, is that little bolt right there holding it?
Yeah.
And it goes up. Oh, here you go, right there. Alright, so then you jack it up?
Yep.
We got it. We lowered it. Woo! Got it down. We gotta use 2 jacks. Yeah, we should be able to. Hold on, it's in there. Oh yeah, go ahead. There, and I can just grab it with my hands. Woo! That wasn't too bad.
Yeah, putting it back up so you can.
Heck yeah, man. Easy. How long do you think that took?
What time is it?
Oh yeah.
Started at 3:30.
4:52. That's not bad. It took 2 bobo heads, an hour and a half to take out the rear subframe of an RX7. Dang. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Okay, so we got it out. So what's your plan after we got it out now? What you gonna do?
Well, get this off. We gotta disconnect that. We have the bushings for this. We have the bushings. No. It's like 2. Oh, those ones for control arm bushings.
Control arm bushings. You said you got
sway links.
sway link bushings. And
I don't think I have those pipe rods. Might have to go. I was tempted
This
to
looks
buy a
bent.
nice one.
is this one bent and that one's not?
Doesn't look like it, huh?
Yeah. I don't know if that's supposed to be the way, but this one's bent. And that side is straight. It's supposed to be like that? Yeah, check it out and make sure that's
just blind.
if that's the way it's supposed to be.
It's not as straight as that one.
Oh hell no, you can see it dips in right here. Dippy dip. The Big Dipper.
Yeah, I gotta buy new ones after all.
Woo!
All these mystery expenses.
It just stacks up, doesn't it? So what we gotta do is take off the axles.
Yeah, remove those.
Yeah, you're missing all kinds of bolts on this. Little friggin' Oregon Trail.
I know.
Little
Waiting
wagon.
to fall apart. Alright guys, track day.
Oh man, imagine Shipwreck just taking the corner and his whole rear end just flies out of the car.
Oh yeah, I did 3 already. Because this one's missing one. I was like, where's the other bolt?
Was it broken already?
Sure. No, it popped right in place.
Yeah. Supposed to do
It
that.
might be broken. I don't know.
Who knows how this guy treated it last time.
It shouldn't be leaking there. So I might need to buy
A new axle. Yep. Woo-wee.
It's like a surprise box here. What else do you need to do with it? Alright, let's switch over.
Okay.
Surprises behind here. Oh, that one's cool.
That one's fine. Just that side. Oh, busted. So we got the diff all disconnected from the subframe, and next we're going to head out to the parts store and get some brake cleaner and prep it all for Saturday when we weld it. Be rad.
Yep. It's the tire.
So you take them off. Work?
Watch, there's no grease oil.
Nothing in it.
That's pretty clean.
Yeah, it looks clean.
It isn't tight. This thing's just busted them off easily. That was cool.
Right there.
A little bit of love taps.
Well, it ain't coming off, man.
Can't get anything to wedge it.
They welded it, didn't they? They welded it shut. That's their welded diff?
Well, the outside of the casing. Then you can send it.
You can send it hard now. The case ain't gonna come apart.
Like, it's just a simple gasket. Like, you should be able to rip it apart.
Dude, you look like one of those Disneyland people, you know what? When you're in the,
Yeah, see?
oh, you got it, yeah!
I don't know why it wouldn't move.
Oh my god, that's all you needed. You did it, you pulled the sword out of the stone.
King me.
I'm king of
There's
Disneyland.
not even a gasket on it. It's like all the gasket they put squeezed out.
So how come we couldn't get it out?
I guess you just had to lift. It doesn't twist.
That was you getting frustrated, huh? You just wanted to yank that shit
Yeah, I was like,
out.
I don't see what would hold it anymore, you know?
Yeah.
Gasket's never been hard to rip apart.
Oh,
And there's not even gasket here, so I guess you just have to lift.
Yeah. That was weird.
And turning it doesn't work.
Cool. So now, the fun part, spray it down, clean it all up, and get it all ready. Get it ready for what? To weld it. What are you fishing for?
Washer. There it is.
Oh, did you get it? Yeah. Only one?
That should be.
You win a prize.
You don't have to buy more parts.
You wish.
No wonder you can't have a kid in Project Car.
No, it's one or the other. You either sell the car or sell the kid.
They frown upon that, selling children.
Where?
Anywhere. Where did dust come from? Oh, that smells great. Well, the can's not that full, so.
So if it blows up, it's only gonna blow off only a couple
half my hand
fingers.
off.
Yeah.
Nope. I don't want to do it that way.
It's too windy, I think. There you go. There you go. Give it some spray. Keep it going. Oh yeah, now it's fully out. Oh, there's
It's still in the cord.
Yeah. I don't think you're gonna stick your face on it. Oh, hey man! You got stop, drop, and roll.
Where's it still coming from?
There's just so
pulled
much.
underneath.
Yeah, it just pulled up underneath it, man. How's it coming along? Oh, it's looking good. It looks way better, huh?
Yeah, all the grease is off.
Yeah. A good chunk of it, at least. Oh, is it cracked right here? Oh no, that's just nonsense. I was like, oh crap. There you go. That's pretty much where we're gonna be ending the video. Hopefully it was helpful for you if you're wondering how to do your subframe removal, or even if you want to know how to weld your diff, I guess, like on how to take it out and prep it and everything.
Yeah, hopefully we learned. Not too hard. If you got one and you're trying to do it, there's other videos out there, but I think we showed pretty well what to do.
Yeah, pretty simple. So, found it helpful? Hit that like button. And if your first time viewing POHBOYS Garage episode, subscribe and make sure to say what's up.
If you like videos and you like the internet, which you're on, then click the mouse button with your finger, like and subscribe button.
And we'll catch you guys next time. Woohoo!